100,000 subscribers. I still can't believe it. 100,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. This milestone is still absolutely unbelievable to me. I want to say thank you to anybody and everybody that contributed to this milestone in any way, shape, or form. To the people that have subscribed, watched a video, commented on a video, shared a video, given a video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, thank you so much. To my friends and family who have supported me throughout this journey, thank you so much. And to my amazing wife and my absolutely incredible son, thank you for motivating me to do better every single day. So I'm grateful for this milestone, but looking towards the future, I'm so happy for what this channel is going to become as well. 100,000 subscribers has always been a huge goal of mine. And now that I've hit it, I'm ready for the next goal, which is going to be 500,000 subscribers and then 1 million subscribers. So onward and upward. Let's continue growing. Let's continue doing this. I'm going to continue making videos every single day for you to watch. I'm going to continue making videos that you want to watch or that will help you or educate you in any way, shape, or form. So I'm going to keep up my end, and we're going to keep this channel growing to get to 500,000 subscribers and then eventually 1 million subscribers. Now, the big deal about reaching 100,000 subscribers is the YouTube Silver Play button. When you get to 100,000 subscribers, you should get a YouTube Silver Play button, from what I understand. And with that being said, whenever I do get mine, I will most definitely unbox it on this channel and do a video with it on this channel. And you better believe that I'm going to be hanging it on my wall right next to my other accomplishments, because 100,000 subscribers to me is a huge deal. And I really want to emphasize the fact that I'm so grateful for you if you've contributed to this in any way, shape, or form. Now, what's the plan for getting to 500,000 subscribers, for getting to 1 million subscribers? Well, I'm going to keep on producing more and more videos that you guys want to watch. So you can count on me keeping up with my end of the deal of maintaining this channel and growing this channel by producing more and more content. And I'll keep producing the content that I'm going to be producing, that I have been producing, but I'm also going to be incorporating some new types of series and stuff. So keep your eyes open for that. I mean, I still can't believe it. When I started this channel, it was just an outlet for me to demonstrate and showcase the things that I knew about, which was do-it-yourself, DIY. I was into DIY. I was into doing things myself. So I wanted to make videos, instructional videos, showing how I was doing those things, okay? A wide variety of DIY things. It started off with just a thought of, well, I'm going to do some DIY stuff around the house. Let's make some videos about it because someone's probably interested in watching it. And then I said, you know what? Maybe I should make some DIY car videos as well with regards to car repairs. And then I was like, why don't I make some other types of videos as well, motivational videos? Now I've moved on and transitioned to a lot more of driving lessons, a lot more driving lessons and car-related videos. But you better believe that I'm going to continue producing a lot of content, just like I have been doing. I'm going to continue producing it, and we are going to keep on growing to 500,000 subscribers and 1 million subscribers. I'm almost 50 million views deep right now. I'm at 49 million, and I think it was 49,600,000-ish the last time I checked. And we're going to keep growing. 100 million views, 500 million views, 1 billion views. That's right. I have big ambitions for this channel, but my actions, you'd better believe my actions are going to match those ambitions. Now, many people ask me, what's the best way to reach out to me? What's the best way to reach out to me? If you want to thank me or give me some video ideas or tell me something to improve on, what's the best way to find me? The best way to find me is on Instagram. I'm active on Instagram, and I'm constantly checking my DMs on Instagram. So if you go check in the description of this video, you'll find a link to my Instagram account. Go ahead, if you like what you see on my Instagram account, give me a follow, send me a message. That's the best way to ask me something or tell me something if you want to communicate with me. But overall, I really just want to say thank you so much. I still can't believe that this channel actually reached 100,000 subscribers. But with that being said, now I'm going to be transitioning towards the next milestone, 500 and 1 million. We're going to get to 500,000 subscribers and 1 million subscribers. We're going to do this. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.